decimal representation of rational numbers. So here see taking 1 by 2, is it rational number or not? Yes, which is in the form of p by q. So this 1 by 2 I am writing, converting into decimal part. See here 1 by 2. So how we have to write? 1 is divided by 2. So point we are taking here 0. So 2 5s are 10. So that means we are getting 1 by 2 equals to 0.5. So in the same way I am taking another one by 5 by 4. So 5 is divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Remaining 1 is not 1 is just less than 4. So that's why we are taking point. We are dropping 0 down. So now 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So again we are taking one more 0 here. So 4 5s are 20. At last we are getting 0. So 5 by 4 means it is nothing but 1.25. In the same way 7 by 8 equals to 0.875. So decimal numbers which are having finite number of digits means here having decimal part how many digits? 1 digit. Here 2 digits. Here 3 digits. So finite number of digits in decimal part, such decimals are known as terminating decimals. It is very important. Terminating decimals. Okay. So then decimal numbers which are having finite number, here how many decimal parts are there? Here how many digits are there in decimal part? 1 digit. Here 2 digits. Here 3 digits. So like this, such decimal numbers are called as terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. The next one is non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals. So here see 1 by 3 I am taking 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means how we are getting 0.3333 so on. Okay, the remainder we are not getting 0. Okay, the remainder does not ends. So here see, so 0.33 up to where we have to end, there is no end. So that's why we have to write this 3 is again and again repeating. So we can write 0.3 bar. 3 bar. So how many numbers are repeating here? Only one number is repeating. So that is called periodicity. How many numbers are repeating? That is called periodicity. Only one number is repeating again and again. That is called, what is the periodicity of this one? 1. So what is the period? Period means which number is repeating again and again. So the 3 is repeating again and again. So this 3 is called period and periodicity is 1. Only one number is repeating again and again. Then we are going to the next example. I am taking 5 by 7. So see here 5 by 7 first. I am writing once again. Here it is. Just wait. So 5 by 7. 5. See here 7 table. 5 is less than 7. So we are taking point 050. So 7 sevens are 49. So the remainder is 1. Again we are having points, so we are taking 0 once again. 7 ones 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 30. 7 fours are 28. So 2. 20. 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 60. Again 7 eights are 56. So how much? 4 is remaining. 40. 7 fives are 35. Again 50. 7 sevens are 49. Again 110. 7 ones are 7. Here it is 30. Again 7 fours are so on. So does not ends. So again 7 1 4 it is repeating up to here. Here to again repeating. So what is the answer we are getting here? Quotient is 0.714285, again 714285, again 714285. So the 714285, this decimal part is repeating once again. Okay, from here to again the decimal part is repeating. So we can write 0.714285 bar. Okay, so what is the period? Which numbers are repeating once again? 714285 is repeating once again. Next, what is the periodicity? How many number of digits are repeating? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are repeating again and again. The division process never comes to end in this non-terminating recurring decimal. Next, the remainder starts repeating after a certain number of steps. How many steps here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps after. Again the repeating the remainder starts here 5 came. So the remainder starts repeating after a certain number of steps. 6 steps after again it will be repeat. Next, in the quotient, the set of digits repeats the same order. Again from here to the set of digits are repeating same. Here see 3, 3, 3, 3. Here also 7, 1, 4. Same order we have to repeat. Next, these decimals are called non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, these decimals are called as non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, are you understand? Okay, thank you. Next, so our next topic is conversion of decimals into rational form. Rational form means P by Q form. Okay, so here is given, for example, see here 0.63. It is a decimal form. It is a decimal form. We have to convert into P by Q form. That is how we can write 0.63 means 0.63. 0.63. This point we have to remove and down 1 after how many zeros, how many in decimal part, how many digits are there here? 1, 2 digits. So 2 zeros. Okay. So at final we got 63 by 100. Okay, which is in the form of P by Q. In the next one, see here 1.025. 1.025. So 1.025. We have to remove the point, and after in the decimal part how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So 3 zeros. So at last we got 1025 by 1000. Is it possible to write the simplest form? Write it. 5 table, 5 2s are 10. Here 2 is there, 5 zeros are 0. Again 25, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 2s are 10, 0, 0. Next 5 4s are 20, 5 1s. Here 5 4s are 20, 0. So at last we got 41 by 40. This is the simplest form, which is in the form of P by Q. Next we have to go next one, 6.0034. Okay. So point we have to remove the point and we have to write 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there in the decimal part. So 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next the last one is 19 point. We don't read 6742 point after compulsory we have to read digits. 19.6742. So 19.6742. We have to remove the point and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits in the decimal part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So afterwards we have to write in the simplest form. Next, conversion of non-terminating recurring decimals into rational numbers. P by Q form. So here 0.7. It is nothing but 0.7777. So on. It is non-terminating recurring decimal. So how to convert this non-terminating decimal into rational form? So here see, let x equals to 0.7777 so on. Okay, what is the periodicity of this one? Previous class we learned about period and periodicity. What is the period? Which number is repeating again and again, that is called period. Periodicity, how many numbers are repeating? How many numbers are repeating? Only one digit is repeating again and again, that is 7. So the periodicity is 1. So when the periodicity is 1, we should multiply with 10. So multiply with 10. Suppose the periodicity is 2, then we should multiply with 100. When the periodicity is 3, then we should multiply with 1000. Okay. So multiply with 10. Both sides. Both sides. Then what happened? 10 into x equals to 10 into 0.777 so on. That means 10x equals to this 10 we should multiply now. So this point we have to keep here. Then 77.7777 so on. Okay. From this two we have to subtract x value. X, what is the x value? 0.7777 so on. Now we should subtract this two. So 0.77. 10 minus x is 9x. Then x equals to 77 by 9. So which is in the form of P by Q. P by Q. Okay. So it is the method to convert non-terminating recurring decimals into fractional form. So when we are having the periodicity 2, then what we should do? We should multiply with 100. Okay. So that is only the difference. Okay.